looking at Tilray here on the weekly chart, obviously at the end of the week, last week, you had that nice news from Trump with the overall marijuana just sector just kind of popped in here. So we're up in that $12 range right now with Tilray. We're going to see if we can hold this 11.50 going forward. We have right around a $3 expected move priced in by this Friday. But we're going to see if that's going to get contracted or if that move is actually going to take place and either get a nice $3 swing higher or a $3 swing lower. Either way, we do need some confirmation here on this weekly chart from this 1150. So we're going to see where Monday opens and then play this thing accordingly. Now to the downside in here, anything below 1150, we're looking at this 9-day EMA right here. That's currently sitting at 1083. And then below there, just nice whole numbers until we get all the way down here to this lower trend line, which is sitting at that $7 range. So anything below 1083, watch 10, watch 9.5, watch 9, 8, etc. Now to the upside in here, we're going to be watching that $13 range. And then anything above there, nice whole numbers working our way up to this 1620. This is going to be an area that is going to be a big resistance for us. If we can get above there, then we're looking at that $20 range. But you can see that that was a nice support for us in the past, going all the way back to about a year and a half ago. So that is going to be a big range for us to kind of go up and breach. But if not, bang our head off of it, that's going to be a nice big resistance for us. And then we're going to be wandering back down here. But let's kind of wait and see what happens as we open on Monday to see what kind of options activity we do get in here. We're going to see where all the flows and everything are going to be pointing to and see what kind of action we do get basically across this whole sector, but especially more specifically for Tilray in here. The net flow did actually flip bearish towards the end of the day on Friday. So we do have to keep that in mind. So that might just be some hedging, or there might be some options traders that are actually seeing something that the rest of us are not. So we kind of have to keep that open as we're looking at our options activity here in Tilray. Is this just a lot of hedging since we did run up too quickly, or is this something bigger going to happen? But all in all, 1150 is going to be the number in here. We're going to watch as we open up on Monday. Anything above there, nice whole numbers working our way up to 16. On the downside, below 1150, we're looking at 1083, and then nice whole numbers working our way down to that $7 handle. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.